Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail juice at home. First, always choose the freshest, ripest fruits available. This is key for vibrant flavor. Make sure to wash all your produce thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. You can use either a juicer for clear juice or a blender for a thicker, pulpier consistency. This initial step sets the foundation for delicious homemade beverages. Now let's talk about flavor. A great cocktail juice often balances sweet and tart elements, so don't be afraid to mix different fruits. A small amount of citrus, perhaps 1/4 of a lemon or lime, can really elevate the taste. For a smooth drink, strain your juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds. This ensures a pleasant drinking experience. Get creative with your homemade cocktail juices. Try adding fresh herbs like mint or basil for a refreshing aroma and taste. For a bolder flavor, consider a small piece of ginger or a pinch of cinnamon. You can also adjust the sweetness to your liking using natural options such as agave nectar or a teaspoon of honey. Personalize your drinks to suit any occasion. To keep your juice fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Always serve your delicious homemade cocktail juice chilled, perhaps over a generous amount of ice, for the best experience. It's perfect for entertaining or just a refreshing treat. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.